it goes in peaks and valleys, right? If I'm not in the middle of closing a deal, if I'm in the middle of closing a deal, man, we're talking day and night. Like M&A has no 9 to 5, right? It's a 7/24 business.
Yeah, you're going to get calls in the middle of the night. Hey, man, we got to resolve this.
Exactly. Yeah. Or my clients, like, I've been thinking about this. Can I bounce this off of you? Like, this is really bothering me or something, or can we renegotiate this point or whatever, right? So you're available to your clients day and night. At least I think the good M&A advisors are. And so, when I'm down to the last 2-3 weeks, it is a full-time job, no question about it. But the rest of the year, maybe if I didn't work on the course, maybe 20 hours a week tops. Yep.
So if you work backwards to the moment that they get a big check in their bank account and it's an emotional roller coaster, how do you provide an even keel, steady, calm waters for them and say, hey, we'll be all right. We're going to do this.
Well, I think one of the things I do, and it's an exercise also in my course, is I have a net cash at close spreadsheet so that we can go, because, you get an offer for 10 million. I'll use 10 million because it's a nice round number. And, you immediately assume, okay, I got 10 million. I'll get to put in the bank. Oh no, that's not the case because there's going to be an escrow for, $500,000 or something like that, or $1 million. There's going to be some bonuses that you're going to want to pay your employees. There's going to be
that's the country club number.
Yeah, there's some networking capital adjustments that may be in there. There's some attorney's fees. You have your M&A fees. So that $10 million all of a sudden isn't $10 million anymore. And then, I kind of work through a little bit of a tax calculation with them. I'm not their tax advisor, but I want them to think about taxes. What part of this is capital gain? What part of this is ordinary? What are your federal taxes that are going to come out of here? What are your state taxes that are going to come out of here? Now, I recommend they use a financial planner really for that, but I have created a worksheet that they could just kind of look at it big picture and go, well, that 10 million right now is coming down to like 6.5, right? Because of all the things that need to get taken out. Now, of course, you're probably going to get those escrow amounts back, in 18 months, and then there may be some earn out there that's going to happen in year 2 and year 3 or in 6 months or 1 year, that kind of thing. But I put them through that spreadsheet so they know early on what the number is going to look like and to know if that number is going to be sufficient for them, because they don't think about all those things. They don't think about the employee bonuses, whether that's a sale bonus or a retention bonus or giving them part of the earn out, or maybe even doing something on an equity rollover, or you are rolling over some equity, right? They don't think about the escrow. They don't think about the networking capital peg and, leaving money behind or taking money out, that kind of thing. So
I hope this video has inspired you. If you need help buying your first $1 million business, make sure to visit me at dealflowsystem.net. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe down below. Comment on it, share it, tell everyone about it. And thanks for watching.